Hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something that came out of it came out of an umai crate. So if you want to get one of those, it's a subscription box. It's from Japan. Go to japancrate.com and look up umai crate. You'll see it real quick. And go ahead and use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. So today I've got something from a recent one. This is from Itsuki. It's Itsuki. It's a Hakata Tonkatsu, and it has no meat. Although I like those pictures of that certainly looks like chashu right there. So it's meatless. But and here we are. So, what we got? We got a wet and a dry, and then we have a ton of noodles. And all these noodles are going to go into the pot of boiling water that's behind the camera. So there we are. And they're gonna hang out for, I think this one is really short. These cook for 1 minute. Yeah. If that isn't short, I don't know what is. So let's get them so they're all submerged at least, and then we can start the timer. There we go. Yeah, they go really fast, so. Alright. So, what's going on with you guys? Nothing big here. Having a chill day. We don't have a TV right now. We got a new TV, but we tried to put it up, and the bracket broke. Yeah, it sucks. So, it was funny. My daughter, she gets up, she comes out, and she just kind of stops dead in her tracks, looking at the spot where the TV was, and she's like, "No picture, Papa. TV gone." It's like, yep, we're gonna have to do it old-fashioned today. We're gonna actually have to chill, and you guys are gonna have to cooperate and all that. I mean, they have tablets, but I don't let them play with tablets until at least 2 in the afternoon on most days. I think it's almost 2. I think it's, whoa. That caught me off guard, but it is only a minute. And yeah, look at that. Those noodles be done. Alright, so. But we had a good time in a world without television. It kind of sucked last night, though. I wanted to watch the first Democratic debate was tonight. I listened to a lot of it on TuneIn, but it's kind of nice to see them make their weird little gestures. I don't know. I'm just waiting for Bernie. I like Bernie Sanders. He will get my vote in the primary, saving some kind of crazy thing. And that's really weird to say, because for the longest time I was just like an ultra. I wanted Biden in the primary in, what year was that? 2000. Yeah, in 2000, when primary that Obama was in. I never liked Clinton, and at the time I was just like, I didn't really know Obama. I just liked Biden. I thought he was all right. The guy's likable and seemed like he'd be an okay president. He seemed very non-threatening and grandpa-like. So he never gave me a hug, though. I don't know how that is, but whatever. I think all that crap's stupid. Oh yeah, that guy brushed against me 10 years ago. I didn't like that. Thin Hakata style ramen. Bountiful chew. broth. This is the kind of crap that makes me hate being on a diet and being really good with it. I just want to eat all that. And actually the next review I'm going to do is more tonkatsu, which is like when it comes to ramen. Which one am I doing first? I'm doing this one first, yeah. Because I believe... Well, this bowl is red, but the bowl from the other one is white, so I figure I'll use the white one on the pack. You know, those serving suggestions, I really use them a lot. I'm like, wow, how do you do it? It's like, I just look at the picture, it's pretty, and I try to make it pretty too. There's a reason they do that, because those pictures on packaging usually look really damn good, so... Okay, there's that. We got, oh no, this one doesn't get egg. The picture on this one showed, wait for it, wait for it. By the way, somebody who's never seen any of my stuff before went on Facebook just a few minutes ago and commented on one of the new videos that was up, and they just said like, what the hell is this? Worst cooking show ever. Or worst cooking segment ever. As if this was a freaking segment. This is a show, folks. This isn't like some little blurb. This isn't 5 seconds out of a busy newscast. This is full-on crap here, so... But to the person who felt it necessary to, like, just be that way, I don't know what's wrong with you. I really don't. I mean, the way I look at it, I won't say anything that I wouldn't say to a perfect stranger online. Because when you talk online, you're talking to perfect strangers, really. Or imperfect strangers, or just strange people. So, I tend to be nice to people unless they really, like, warrant not nicitude. Which seems to be more and more. People are just being out and out total jerks. So, I don't know. And no, don't worry. You don't have to comment and say, oh, dude, don't let it get to you, because it doesn't. But it's more of a societal thing. Man, that's good. How can I be annoyed with such wonderful, tasty things to have 2 bites of? I'm gonna use... Ooh, that's right. I forgot about this one. So, I've got 2 bottles here. They're both by S&B. This one is Nanami Togarashi. And this one that I'm gonna use is Sansio. This one has a flip top, and the other one you have to unscrew. So I like unscrewed this one and was about to dump like a lot in here. But I like this. It's like a green peppercorn stuff. It's nummy. And I like to use black sesame seed with tonkatsu. And I don't know, should I add anything else? Yeah? I honestly got to say, one of the best things to add on to tonkatsu, I don't care if you agree or disagree, it's just me, crispy garlic. That's a nice little touch. Aw, right, well, let's let old Rotato work its magic. Troglodytes, Aid, and Rotato. Ladies and gentlemen, enjoy. Well, I'm gonna have to go take some more pics of this really quick because, you know, this thing's sucking up the broth quicker than I can say sucking up the broth. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Later.